Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion, Asana, and ClickUp. We'll dive into their unique features, helping you understand which platform excels in different areas like project management, task tracking, and knowledge base creation. Our goal is to equip you with the insights needed to make an informed decision for your team, considering factors such as collaboration capabilities, integration options, and overall user experience. Let's explore these powerful tools together to find your perfect fit. Notion stands out as an incredibly versatile all-in-one workspace, perfect for teams seeking high customization. It allows you to build interconnected systems for notes, wikis, and project management, all within a single environment. With its powerful database features, you can create custom workflows and dashboards tailored to your exact needs. Many users appreciate its flexibility for knowledge management and content creation, making it a strong contender for those who value adaptability and a unified platform. Asana is a powerhouse for project management, specifically designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work with precision. It offers intuitive features for task assignment, setting deadlines, and monitoring progress across multiple projects. With its clear interface and various viewing options, like timelines and boards, teams can easily visualize their workflow. Asana is ideal for structured project execution, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities and how their work contributes to the larger objectives. ClickUp positions itself as the ultimate productivity platform, designed to consolidate all your work into one place. It boasts an impressive array of features, from task management and document creation to goal tracking and whiteboards, aiming to replace several tools. Its strength lies in its extreme customizability, allowing teams to tailor their workspace with numerous views and automations. ClickUp is an excellent choice for those who desire a comprehensive, flexible solution that can adapt to virtually any workflow or team size.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.